Hello everyone, today we are making something truly special, Swedish kanelbullar, also known as Swedish cinnamon rolls. These rolls are really soft and have one secret ingredient that makes all the difference, a touch of cardamom in the filling. It adds a subtle warmth that takes them to the next level. You really have to try these. So let's get started. Start by gently heating the milk. It should feel comfortable to the touch, but not hot. Just a quick 30 seconds in the microwave should do. Also, make sure your butter and egg are at room temperature. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the dry ingredients first. Then add the egg and finally add the warm milk. Now knead that dough for at least 10 minutes. You are looking for a smooth, bouncy texture. It should spring back when you press it lightly with a finger. Shape it into a ball and let it rise for about 90 minutes. A little tip: placing it in a barely warm oven creates a perfect draft-free environment for proofing. The oven should be around 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Now while the dough rises, make the filling by mixing everything until silky smooth. Once the dough has risen, roll it out into a large 19-inch or 50 centimeter square. Spread the filling over just one half of the dough, then fold it over like a book. Using a pizza roller, cut it into 12 long strips. Have a baking tray lined with parchment paper ready nearby. Take each strip, twist it gently and shape it into a little spiral, tucking the end underneath. Press down slightly to keep it in place. Cover the trays and let the buns rise again for another hour, or up to 90 minutes if your kitchen is on the cooler side. Just before baking, brush them with an egg wash for that beautiful golden finish. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit, sprinkle with pearl sugar and bake for 15 to 17 minutes. And that's it! Fresh, homemade kanelbuller, soft, buttery and packed with warm cinnamon and cardamom flavor. These are perfect with a cup of coffee, and I promise you they won't last very long. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious bakes. Happy baking and see you next time!